What's up? How you doing? Crazy thing, I'm cooking dinner in my house, and I see a cat, a little tiny kitten, at my door, and it's starving to death. Look. I didn't know what to do, so I grabbed food, whatever I could grab. I didn't know how the age of the cat or where it came from. So I grabbed some can of tuna, opened it up, and look, he's scarfing that down. Meow. Pretty friendly. He ran away at first. It's okay. It's okay. Here you go. I gave it some water. And I gave it some tuna. Hasn't drank any water yet. But the water bowl is a little dirty, but I just ate something out of it. Meow. Meow. Good kitty. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Here. Maybe I put water in this. Here you kitty. Meow. There you go. Good. Maybe put some water in there. Uh-oh, did I ruin his tuna? Look how skinny it is. It could have lice or ticks or worms. It's super skinny. I don't know how it survived. Seems that's super skinny. I can't tell. I guess it's a girl. No, boy. I don't know. I guess it's a girl. I don't want to get rabies or scabies or maybes. I don't have water or electricity. Here, eat. What do you know? Up, come on. Come here, kitty, up. Here, here. Can you play with this? Is that a boy or a girl? It's the Commando Pet Whisperer.